know, maybe.
Say that again, Daddy.
I said microphone check, check.
Microphone check.
When is the leaf collection starting?
Today, maybe tomorrow. But she said maybe if you can, please do it today if you can.
Oh, so Mommy will help you collect the leaves today.
Get it now. I see some leaves right now.
Are you going to collect those leaves all by yourself?
Uh-huh.
Good job. Don't go too far, though. I hear her. I actually hear her outside.
Just near the bush.
I know.
She's smart, but she don't know if she will look back or something.
I know.
She's a little scared.
Yeah, she should be. Okay, good job, Sophie.
I think you're gonna paint with leaves. That's probably what she was gonna let you do.
Are you doing leaf painting, Sophie?
Oh.
There's no response going on
Well,
here.
she
Oh, there she
said
is.
to get leaves so we can do that. Like, we can use the leaves for a stencil so we can
Leaf painting?
do the art. And we're going to color in the leaves and do that from art class.
Or put it under a paper.
That sounds very exciting.
It is very exciting.
She's mocking me. I love it. Very exciting. Watch, it'll come right back. No?
Very exciting.
Oh my gosh. She's really your daughter.
Good job. Yeah, that thing today.
Just like Daddy.
That thing today when she was looking for the glue, or was it the glue? No, the walkie talkies. And I told her, I was like, okay, you got to search everywhere. And she kept saying, I'm going to call Mommy. I'm going to call Mom. I said, no, you got to look first. And then, right? And then she started calling you. And I walked over to the cabinet. And I said, Sophie, they're right here. They're right here in the cabinet right here. She had been looking over there. That's where she got one of them. She had 1 out of 3. And then I just started rolling. What's that, honey? I started rolling and laughing. Oh, you got all of them? Good job. I started rolling in laughter because...
I'll get more later.
Okay, that's a good idea. And I said, you got the worst habit of your daddy. I said, that's the bad habit. You got to drop that right now. You got to look for things before asking people where they are.
She's in. Found
Yay, good job.
We should.
What is that?
Baby, we'll find
You
the
got
big
all the
ones.
leaves?
We'll find big ones.
Okay, let's turn our walkie-talkies off before we
No,
burn
like
the
a bigger
battery
one,
stuff. Okay?
What batteries are these? AA?
Yeah, the ones you bought. So it's
Oh,
the power button right here. Look, the power button. Hold it down. Good job, everybody.
For a long time.
Everybody hold your power button down. Good job.